going to start this delicious cod dish by tossing together some sliced new potatoes with some Nduja paste, which is a delicious spicy salami, and then a little splash of water. And I've got a lemon here that I've sliced quite thinly. And just give the mixture a little toss together, just to coat the potatoes. And then tip those into a shallow roasting tin. You want it large enough for the potatoes to sit roughly in a single layer. For the full recipe, just click on the link. Now this needs to roast for about 12 minutes. Next, I'm going to add some peppers. These are the char grilled peppers that you get in a jar. I've just drained them and chopped them up with a touch more water and a little salt and pepper. So just give them a little stir together. I've got some cod loin fillets here. I'm just going to pop them on top of the potatoes. And this needs to go back into the oven now for about 14 or 15 minutes till the cod is completely cooked through. Now I've got some spinach that I'm serving with the cod, and I've wilted it down and squeezed out any excess water. I'm just going to finish it off with some chopped parsley, lots of it, and some capers that have been rinsed and chopped. In they go. And finally, a little splash of olive oil. And just warm those through together and we're all ready to serve with the cod. And for more delicious recipes, don't forget to click to subscribe.